Alright guys, welcome back. This is Larry with Dead Nuts Outdoors, and today we're out at the range to check out the Bushmaster QRC, Quick Response Carbine, as they call it. This is a budget-minded AR-15 rifle chambered in 223-556. You can pick these up in the $400 range, just the way it comes. That is the way it comes out of the box, other than the sight obviously being in a box. It does have the quick detachable lever on the red dot. So we're going to put a few rounds down range and see what we think, and see if we can get this dot on paper. We're good so far. Now we're going to see how it likes steel. So this is your typical AR-15 rifle. It does what it's supposed to do. We had 0 malfunctions. We only put about 40 rounds downrange today. But again, I really kind of wanted to get first thoughts and just see how it did out of the box. It did well. The little red dot they send with it, it performed well, but we'll see later on how it holds 0 after a couple hundred rounds. It comes with a 30-round PMAG as well. There's a few things I think they could have did a little better. Maybe put a rail up here for a flip-up sight. It's just shaved down, and that's okay, because a lot of guys that's going to get one of these, they're probably going to put a different fore-end or something on here anyways, and do a couple things to them, which we might. I've got some old parts around the house I might throw on here and dress it up a little bit. Might even put a paint job on it. But again, guys, this gun was in the $400 range. This is an excellent rifle. $400. I mean, you can't really complain. But some people might, just because you can't make everybody happy no matter what you do. The trigger, it's your typical style AR-15 trigger. It's nothing special, but it gets the job done. If you are in the market for a budget AR-15, I would definitely give this a look. The Bushmaster QRC. This is Larry with Dead Nuts Outdoors, and whatever you're into, don't stay inside, get outdoors. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.